Hey guys, it's me Alex, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a slime test. So I'm not very sure if this slime will work, but that's why it's called slime test, because I'm not very sure if it'll work. So yeah, so let's just start into the ingredients. First you'll need some soft soap. Well, I'm not very sure if it'll even work. So I'm using some soft soap and some salt, and that's pretty much it. And we're just going to see if this even works. So if it's very thick, you can add some water. I'm not, because I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna do a few squirts. One, two, I meant three. I don't get how I. So even how I just mix it up, it's just kind of very thick. If you guys can, hang on, I'm gonna show you guys. This maybe can't. Can you guys see? Yeah, just like pretty much is all I don't know, but it's already like kind of a jelly. Yeah, and now I'm gonna add my salt. I'm gonna add a little bit because I'm not very sure if I'm supposed to add a lot or a little bit. So I'm gonna only add a little bit. Yeah, I'm just gonna mix this up a little bit more. Set up. I got a little bit of salt. I just poured it in my hand because like if it comes out, it might come out too fast, and then it might come into me. So it kind of looks like it's turning into slime, but at the same time it doesn't really. So I went over and added a little bit more salt just so like I could get the right consistency. So it looks like it's working. I feel it. It's not sticky. I wonder if it will be sticky once I pick it up. And I'm going to actually pick it up. Okay, I think. So, yeah, just to kind of give that a little bit. I only had a little bit of salt in my hand, so I just kind of put a little bit more in there and just mix that in. So, no, it doesn't seem like it actually works. Yeah, and I'm going to show you how it looks when you add too much salt, just to show you, because I added too much salt. Well, I actually did it on purpose, so I could show you guys. So, just look at this. It's very watery. I'm going to show you this. You guys can see it's very watery. I'm going to do it like that. And look at this. It just goes like that everywhere. So that was a fail, but I'm just gonna go with this ball on the So this time I'm only gonna do one squirt because I don't want to waste it. Oh, I got it. I got it on my shoulder. So I'm going to add one squirt of soap. Then just give that a mix before anything's in it. Then add a little bit of salt. Just add a little bit. And I really want to add only a little bit. Just mixing this up. So it looks to be more of a jelly consistency as I'm mixing it. I'm gonna try to pick. It's not sticky at all. Okay, that time it's a little sticky. It's a little bit wet, but a little bit. For whatever reason, I didn't add enough So the first time, so I went over and there was a little bit more, and then I felt like that was enough. Okay, that's good. Put the rest in the back over there. I didn't pour it in here. I poured it. That's why I still. So I'm gonna go put this in the freezer for a little bit, and I'll be alright. But I can't press the button, so I was right by the. And I also did add another one with slime in there, and I am very impressed, but it worked. I don't really want to take it out. I'm just gonna take it out with this. Slime. Wait, I'm not very sure if it worked because it's like frozen, like very frozen. Look at this. Yeah, that is glue. Then I made this one with glue. Yeah. So I keep this underneath the sink so nobody else touches it. Oh yeah, and I made some slime earlier, but it's not of a putty slime. It's like of a sticky slime. It's in my room. Okay, whatever. So it was in these, so I made a pink one. And I made a green one. And I also made a, I can't, like this color, I don't really know how to explain it, but I'm going to take the caps off. Okay, so I did. I'm just going to snap my. So yeah, it's pretty watery, but that's okay because that's how I just copied a girl, and all you need to make it out of is flour and water. The reason why mine is pink is because it's pink. I don't use dye. Usually all of us DIYs people use dye, but yeah. And now we're gonna move on to my next one. Put that other one to the side. I'll do this later because I don't feel like doing it that way. Okay, my mom said I can't open it in my room, but okay, I won't open it in my room. I'll open it in my kitchen. This one seems very thick, if you guys can see. It's like a jelly. And then this one is like very watery. And yeah, so I will be back with a part 2 because I'm waiting for the slime to go and be ready. So yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed.